Howdy, y'all. It's griddling time. What do we have today? Something really simple, because I feel like simple. It's a pork loin fillet. Dry season with rosemary, thyme, and basil. Basil. Rubbed with seasoning. It's so simple, even a caveman can do it. So you may have noticed we got a hot griddle. Smoking hot. Smoking. And I'm gonna put the filet right there. Ooh, smells good already. Basting lid. Ta-da! Do you need to write that down? It's complicated. Are you taking notes? I know. If I'm going too fast, stop me. Okay, I'm gonna pause the tape here, just so you can find a pen and pencil, or pen and paper, pencil and paper, eraser, and whatever else you need to take notes, and we'll be back. Should we take a look? Yeah, let's take a look. It's doing well. I flipped it over once while you were busy looking for your pen and paper. And, man, isn't it gorgeous? Last night was gorgeous, so I set up the hammock and I slept in it. And it got down probably close to 40, but that was okay. I was bundled up. It was nice, it was comfy, until the winds hit about 3:30 in the morning. Temperature dropped and had a hard time getting just right in the hammock. Once I did, it was fantastic though. Anyway, let's go back to cooking stuff. Okay, I was interrupted, but it was for something good. It's Baja! Look who's making a special appearance, and it's Fred. Hi, Fred. Fred and Baja stopped by, and they're going to be around for a couple days. Yay. Anyway, the meat's been cooking, and hopefully it's not overcooked or burnt. Got my handy dandy meat thermometer. Make sure nobody's poisoned. It's not even done yet. Oh no. That's close. That's done. Actually, needs to be at least 160. And right in here, it's 120. But the rest of it's done. Right, Baja? Right, Fred? So, let go. Anyway, we're gonna let it keep cooking, and we're getting close though. Okay, y'all. According to the handy dandy trusty thermometer, we've reached optimum temperature. I've rolled it around to get a good sear everywhere. Done this, I've done this, done this, I've done a little bit of that. Helps get all that, it's juicy. So, supposed to turn this off. And we got a good, nice, simple, easy meal that actually took longer than I expected, but still didn't take too long. They don't all have to be fancy, complicated smash burger, whatever, barbecue, blah, blah, blah. Sometimes just simple, throw it on, let it cook, and you're good to go. And I'm outside getting fresh air. Right, pups? Right, Baja? Right, Fred? Anyway, so that's it. I'll slice this baby up after it cools. Well, not cools, but we'll let it rest for at least 5-10 minutes. Right, Fred? Oh, he's a good boy. Baja, hey, say hi to the internet. She's a little shy today. Anyway, I'll fix probably some rice to go with this. And that'll be good eats. And that's all we've got for today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following. Thanks for subscribing, sharing, all that wonderful stuff. And most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And I think I want to go play with dogs now. So y'all have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye!